Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you this AirPod Pro. I was debating which one to get, you know, it was different types of model, but yeah, we decided to get this one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just take it out of the box and then show you guys. Okay guys, so you could see that we got the, you know, booklet and stuff that comes with it, and this is the AirPod. I think comes with everything else there. Right, have a look. Yes guys, and it comes up also with the wire as well for it. And then you got the tips. Okay, so this is the AirPod. Okay guys, so you could see this. So this AirPod, when it's fully charged, it gives you 4.5 hours of charging time. It comes with 3 different tips, so you've got like small, medium and large, which is quite handy. The charging case gives you 24 hours of charging, but let's say if you run out of charge, if you put it on charge for 5 minutes, it almost gives you like 1 hour of charge, so it's quite good. It's also water and sweat proof, so it's good like if you go into the gym, so you can use it. And this is obviously what it looks like. And then obviously you've got the active noise cancellation, which is very popular with this type of model. So it's sort of cancels external sounds as such. And then obviously if you press the stem, obviously it jumps from the active noise cancellation to transparency mode. So the transparency mode lets the outside noise in, but you know, it gives you like a more natural type of sound. It's also got a conversation boost, so it's good like if when you're talking to like somebody in front of you. So again, that's another feature that it's got. Another thing that's popular with these type of AirPods is it gives you like it's got like a feature called spatial audio with dynamic head tracking, which means that it gives you like a 3D type of sound, like it feels like it's gives you like a noise like when you go into the cinema. So that's again something that's really popular. Again, you know, it's really small, so you can, you know, put it in your bag and whatever. And you've also got the wiring, but then it's got the MagSafe charging case. So if you've got the charging pads, you could obviously put it on that, and then obviously it will charge, which is quite handy, especially like you know, I think in some of the cars you've got the charging pads, and you can obviously use that for that. And these are obviously the heads that you could see. I was really apprehensive about getting the ones with the head, because I've never got really along with the heads, but I thought I'd give these a try because they've got like different type of sizes with this one. But again with the tip, you could jump from calls to music to active noise cancellation and to the, you know, to the transparency mode. So that's really handy, and obviously the sound is really immaculate. So yeah, this is something that I always wanted to, you know, to get. I was debating on which model. I think this is the best one by far. Obviously the charging time maybe is not good as the AirPods 3, but again gives you 4.5 hours of charging, which I think is quite good. So it's also got an H1 chip, guys, so it powers anything from sound to Siri with this, which is also really really good. And then if you want to see the heads, guys, so this is again the heads, which this is where the active noise cancellation comes into place, whereas the AirPods 3 is as good, but it just doesn't have the active noise cancellation. I think it's really good because then you don't have to play about with wires as such. You just put it in your ears and that's it. You're done and dusted with it all. What I'm going to do, I'm going to pair it with my phone. So again, I'll go into settings, and then I'll go into Bluetooth here, and then I'm going to wait, and then if I open it, then I should connect it. Yep, so you could see that is connected here. Tells me how much they are charged as well. Okay guys, and then it would show me that they are actually connected here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to now go and check. Okay guys, so again I'm going to show you. So again I go into settings and Bluetooth. When it was connecting, so it's connected because it says connected, and you literally click on here, and then obviously it gives you active noise cancellation, off, transparency. So you've got the left and the right ears, and what controls you want to have, like with your right one, your left one, whatever. And then you could do an ear tip fit test as well with it. And then you've got the microphone. Again, automatically switch AirPods. Yep, so you could have it always to the left or to the right. So yeah, and then it gives you the other stuff as well, like your warranty and everything. It will tell you there. Okay guys, also another thing, they're shaped for your ears, so again that was something that was really good as well with this generation. Yeah, also guys, there's they've got the microphones on either side of it. Again, they're designed in a way to control sounds, the active noise cancellation. It also works with these microphones as well, which is really good. You don't have with the others, I think you don't have it, these type, or is a bit different. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you so much for watching.